Hello my dear kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy at your places. Stay home, stay safe. This is your English teacher Himani Joshi and today we are going to learn chapter the adjective. Okay, this we have already discussed in our previous videos, isn't it? So what are adjectives? Let us learn the definition of adjectives. Adjectives are the words that modify the nouns and pronouns. Okay, so adjectives adjectives, adjectives modify, modify, modify nouns, nouns, nouns and pronouns, pronouns, pronouns. So adjectives modify nouns and pronouns. Okay, so adjectives modify nouns and pronouns. What is the meaning of modify? The meaning of modify is to change, to change. Okay, so adjectives have power to change your imagination. Do you want to know? Yes. So beta, whenever we speak or write about something, the image of particular thing comes to our mind. Okay, the image can be different. Okay, everybody think differently, so the adjectives have the magic to change the imagination. How? If I say dog, if I say dog, so it means everybody will imagine about different kinds of dogs. Okay, but if I say white dog, white dog, now what will happen? You all will imagine about a white dog. Now the image of white dog will only come to your mind. What the adjectives do? Adjectives change the imagination. Okay, in your imagination every time the things come. Okay, but adjectives change the imagination. Okay, change the noun. What you were imagining? Dogs. Okay, of different kinds. Okay, but when I said white dog, you all started imagining white dogs. So adjectives have power, they have magic, okay, to change your imagination, to change the noun in your imagination. Alright, so beta, I will now show you something and you will describe me about the thing. See this? It's a teddy. So describe about this teddy in one word. Okay? Yes, tell me.
Cute.
Very nice. Cute teddy. Anything else?
Red.
Yes, red teddy. Okay, very good. Anything else?
One.
Very good. One teddy. And?
Big.
Very nice. Big teddy. Okay, so which words we have used to describe the teddy? We have used big, one, red, cute. So all these words we have used to describe the teddy. Okay, so teddy is a noun. Okay, so to describe the noun or to give additional information about the noun teddy, we can use big, one, red and cute. Okay, so all these are the examples of adjectives because they have add meaning to the noun. Okay, which noun? Teddy. Okay, very nice. So adjectives modify the nouns and pronouns. They add meaning to the nouns and pronouns. They give additional information about the nouns and pronouns. I have written a few adjectives on the board Okay, and all these adjectives answer the question what kind. Okay, happy boy, what kind of boy? Happy boy. Okay, clean floor, what kind of floor? Clean floor. Okay, small ball, what kind of ball? Small ball. Bad boy. Okay, what kind of boy? Bad. Heavy bed, what kind of bed? Heavy. Hot milk, what kind of milk? Hot milk. Okay, hot. Polite man. Okay, what kind of man? Polite man. Okay, beautiful girl, what kind of girl? Beautiful. Young lady, what kind of lady? Young lady. Fat boy, what kind of boy? Fat boy. So all these adjectives answer the question what kind. Okay, and these all add meaning to the adjectives. Okay, so let us write the opposite of these adjectives. Okay, opposite adjective of these adjectives. So first is happy. Happy, opposite of happy is sad. Okay, clean, opposite of clean is dirty. dirty, dirty. Opposite of small is big. Opposite of small is big. Opposite of bad is good. Opposite of bad is good. Opposite of heavy is light. Ligst, light. Okay, opposite of hot is cold. Opposite of polite is naughty. Opposite of polite is naughty, or we can say impolite also. Opposite of beautiful is ugly. Opposite of young is old. Opposite of fat is thin. Okay, so all these are adjectives used to describe the nouns. Okay, and all these adjectives answer the question what kind. Okay, and I have also told you that adjectives answer how many also, like five pencils. So how many pencils? 5 pencils. So children, what we have understood? We have understood that adjectives modify the nouns and pronouns. Okay, and adjectives have magic to change your imagination also. Okay, and adjectives answer the questions what kind, how much, how many. Okay, enough food. So enough is adjective. Okay, how much food? Enough food. Okay, and one table. Okay, here one is adjective which is answering the question how many table? One table. So one is adjective. Okay, so adjectives, what adjectives do? Adjectives modify the nouns and pronouns. Adjectives add meaning to the nouns and pronouns. Okay, now we will solve one more exercise and learn how to find out adjectives. Here kids, now we are here with another exercise of adjective. First of all, before starting anything, you should read the caption twice. Okay, so the caption is circle the adjective. So what we have to do here? We have to circle the adjective. So first of all, we will read the sentence carefully and find out nouns. Okay, a dog has 4 legs. So which are nouns here? Dog and legs. Okay, dog and legs are nouns. Okay, but before dog it is a. Okay, and before legs it is 4. So what will be the adjective? Adjective tells us and give us more knowledge. Adjectives give us more knowledge about the nouns. Okay, so How many legs? 4 legs. How many legs? 4 legs. So here 4 is adjective. Okay, so we have to circle 4. Here 4 is adjective. Okay, adjectives give us answer of what kind, how much, how many. Okay, so here it is giving the answer of how many. How many legs? 4 legs. Okay, in this dog is also a noun, but to modify the noun it is given a. Okay, and a, and the. These are the articles. These are also considered as adjectives. Okay, but today we will not consider these articles as adjective. Okay, as adjectives we will not consider these articles. Now come to the next question. A cow has 1 tail. So here cow and tail both are the nouns. Okay, to modify the cow, the noun cow, it is given a. A is an adjective, but as I told you, we will not consider a, and the. Okay, so the next noun is tail. Okay, 1 tail. Okay, how many tails? How many tails? 1 tail. Okay, so 1 is an adjective. It is giving us the answer of how many. How many tails? 1 tail. Okay, now always eat fresh food. Here only one noun is given, food. Okay, and which is the word describing the food? Fresh. Fresh means taja. Okay, fresh food. Okay, and it is also giving us the answer of what kind. What kind of food? Fresh food. Okay, so fresh is an adjective. Next is Seema is a beautiful girl. Here also Seema and girl. Okay, before Seema it is given nothing, but before girl it is given beautiful. So what kind of girl? What kind of a girl? Beautiful girl. Okay, so this word beautiful is describing or giving additional information about the girl. Okay, so beautiful is an adjective. Okay, Delhi is an old city. Here which are the nouns? Delhi and city. Okay, and before Delhi, to describe Delhi it is given nothing, but to describe city it is given old. So what kind of city? Old city. Here let me tell you one more thing. Most of you are writing the first capital letter, but a few students are still writing the first letter small. Okay, and the proper nouns, I have told you about the proper nouns. Okay, proper nouns, Delhi is a proper noun. So proper nouns always start with capital first letter, no matter those are coming at first or at last or in the mid of the sentences. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा कि proper nouns चाहे starting में आए, चाहे ending में आए, चाहे mid में आए, उनका first letter हमेशा हम capital में ही लिखेंगे. ठीक है? So Delhi is an old city. Here old is an adjective. It is giving us the answer of what kind. What kind of city? Old city. Next, the shirt is blue. Okay, what kind of shirt? Blue shirt. Okay, what kind of shirt? Blue shirt. So here blue is adjective. Okay, sometimes usually adjectives come before the noun, but sometimes they may come after the nouns also. Okay, like here the shirt is blue. This word blue is describing about the shirt. Okay, about the noun. Shirt is a noun, but it is coming after the noun. Okay, but it is an adjective because it is modifying the noun. Okay, it is giving additional information about the noun. So blue is adjective. Blue is an adjective. What kind of a shirt? Blue shirt. Okay, there are 40 students in my class. Here two nouns are written, students and class. Okay, before students it is written 40. So how many students? 40 students. How many students? 40 students. So this is also giving us the answer of how many. Okay, and before class it is written my. Okay, it is written my. Okay, and we have not discussed about it yet. Okay, we have discussed about what kind, how many, and how much. Okay, if I say I have enough money. Okay, I have enough money. So money is also a noun. Okay, but it is an uncountable noun because we cannot count money. Okay, we can count rupees, but we cannot count money. But so it is a noun. Okay, money is a noun. And what kind of noun? Uncountable noun. Okay, and here how much money? Enough money. How much money? Enough money. Okay, so what kind, how many, and how much. Okay, and they have power to change our imagination also, as I have told you. Okay, so where it is giving the answer of what kind in this question? 4 legs. It is answering the question how many legs? 4 legs, 1 tail. Okay, how many tails? 1 tail. It is also giving the answer of how many. Next is fresh food. So what kind of food? Fresh food. It is giving us the answer of what kind. Next, beautiful girl. What kind of a girl? Beautiful girl. It is also giving us the answer of what kind. Next, old city. What kind of city? Old city. So this is also giving the answer of what kind. Next, the shirt is blue. What kind of shirt? Blue shirt. Okay, this is also giving us the answer of what kind. Next, there are 40 students. So how many students? 40. It is giving us the answer of how many. And the last is enough money. Okay, it is giving us the answer of how much. Okay, how much. So I hope now the adjective topic, the adjective is clear to you all. If still it is not clear, please let me know. Okay, so let us revise again quickly. What are the adjectives? Adjectives are the words which modify the nouns and pronouns. Okay, they have power to change our imagination also. Okay, and the adjectives are used to give additional meaning to the nouns. I hope now the concept is clear to you all. Thank you for listening me patiently. We will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.